Michael Jordan isn't just a basketball player, he's a symbol of greatness, an embodiment of resilience, and a source of inspiration for millions. In this detailed journey, we delve into the life, career, and lasting impact of the legendary Michael Jordan. Chapter 1: Early Life and Childhood. Michael Jeffrey Jordan was born on February 17, 1963, in Brooklyn, New York. His family later moved to Wilmington, North Carolina, where his passion for basketball began to take shape. From an early age, Jordan displayed an extraordinary talent for the game, spending countless hours practicing and honing his skills on the court. Despite being relatively short for a basketball player during his youth, Jordan's determination and work ethic set him apart. He would often compete fiercely with his older brother Larry, honing his competitive edge and developing a relentless drive to succeed. Jordan attended Emslie A. Laney High School, where his talent quickly caught the attention of coaches and scouts. However, his path to greatness faced an initial setback when he was cut from the varsity team as a sophomore. Instead of being discouraged, Jordan used the setback as motivation to improve his game further. He dedicated himself to rigorous training, focusing on developing his shooting, ball handling, and defensive skills. By his junior and senior years, Jordan had transformed into a basketball prodigy. His scoring ability, athleticism, and leadership on the court were unmatched. He led his high school team to success and became a local sensation, drawing crowds to witness his mesmerizing performances. Chapter 2: College Career and Rise to Prominence. Jordan's stellar high school career earned him numerous scholarship offers from top college basketball programs across the country. In 1981, he accepted a basketball scholarship to the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, where he played under the legendary coach Dean Smith. At UNC, Jordan's impact was immediate. He quickly established himself as a key player, showcasing his scoring prowess, defensive tenacity, and basketball IQ. His incredible work ethic and dedication to improvement were evident to teammates, coaches, and fans alike. One of the defining moments of Jordan's college career came in the 1982 NCAA championship game. Facing off against the Georgetown Hoyas, Jordan hit the game-winning shot in the final seconds, securing the championship for UNC. This iconic moment catapulted Jordan into the national spotlight and solidified his status as a future basketball superstar. Throughout his college tenure, Jordan continued to excel both on and off the court. He earned numerous accolades, including ACC Freshman of the Year, ACC Player of the Year, and multiple All-American honors. His contributions to the Tar Heels' success were immeasurable, and he left a lasting legacy at UNC. Chapter 3: NBA Draft and Rookie Sensation. In 1984, Michael Jordan declared for the NBA draft after completing his junior year at UNC. The Chicago Bulls selected him with the third overall pick, marking the beginning of a new era in basketball. Jordan's arrival in the NBA was met with immense anticipation and excitement. Fans and analysts touted him as a future superstar, and he wasted no time living up to the hype. His rookie season with the Bulls was nothing short of spectacular. From his debut game, Jordan showcased his scoring prowess and athleticism. His ability to drive to the basket, finish acrobatic layups, and hit mid-range jumpers made him a nightmare for opposing defenses. He averaged an astonishing 28.2 points per game during his rookie campaign, earning him the Rookie of the Year award and solidifying his status as one of the league's brightest young talents. Jordan's impact extended beyond just scoring. He was also a tenacious defender, using his quickness and instincts to disrupt opponents and generate turnovers. His work ethic and competitive fire set the tone for the Bulls, inspiring his teammates to elevate their games. Chapter 4: Building a Dynasty with the Chicago Bulls. As Jordan's career progressed, so did the success of the Chicago Bulls. The addition of key players like Scottie Pippen, Horace Grant, and later Dennis Rodman, along with the guidance of head coach Phil Jackson, transformed the Bulls into a championship-caliber team. The early 1990s marked the beginning of the Bulls dynasty. Led by Jordan's scoring prowess and leadership, they dominated the NBA landscape. In 1991, the Bulls captured their first NBA championship, defeating the Los Angeles Lakers in a memorable finals series. Jordan's impact went beyond just his on-court performances. He became a global icon, known for his signature sneakers, charismatic personality, and marketability. The Air Jordan brand, launched in collaboration with Nike, revolutionized sports marketing and became a cultural phenomenon. Chapter 5: Retirements and Comebacks. In a surprising turn of events, Jordan announced his retirement from basketball in 1993, citing personal reasons and a desire to pursue other interests. His departure from the game left fans and pundits in shock, as he was at the peak of his career. During his first retirement, Jordan explored other passions, including a brief stint in professional baseball. Although his baseball career was short-lived and met with mixed success, it showcased his versatility and determination to succeed in any endeavor. Jordan's return to basketball in 1995 sent shockwaves through the sports world. He rejoined the Bulls and quickly regained his form, leading them to 3 more NBA championships from 1996 to 1998. His comeback solidified his status as the greatest player of his generation and one of the most iconic figures in sports history. Chapter 6: Legacy and Impact. Michael Jordan's legacy extends far beyond his statistics and championships. He revolutionized the game of basketball, influencing a generation of players with his style, competitiveness, and work ethic. His impact on popular culture, through his endorsements, commercials, and cultural presence, transcended sports and reached global audiences. Jordan's competitive fire and desire to win at all costs set him apart from his peers. He thrived in pressure situations, delivering clutch performances and leading his teams to victory. His mentality of never backing down from a challenge inspired countless athletes and individuals in all walks of life. Off the court, Jordan's philanthropic efforts and business ventures have made a significant impact. He has been involved in various charitable organizations, focusing on education, youth development, and community initiatives. His business acumen, particularly with the Jordan brand and other ventures, has solidified his status as a savvy entrepreneur and brand ambassador. Michael Jordan's journey is not just a story of basketball greatness, it's a testament to resilience, determination, and the pursuit of excellence. From his humble beginnings to global superstardom, Jordan's impact on the game and popular culture will forever be remembered. His legacy as the greatest basketball player of all time is secure, but his influence as a role model and cultural icon continues to resonate with millions. Whether on the court or off, Michael Jordan exemplified what it means to strive for greatness and leave a lasting legacy.